Well, I can't go inside. So I took some carb clean, sprayed the connection here, that one, and that's not the right thing, I know, but it helped and remove some stuff. I gotta spray that out. So what I need to do is move this over to the pressure washer. Like somebody called somebody called it the decal removers, 3300 psi. Well, this is not great, not good for this kind of stuff. And I will pick up all these parts, carry them with me over there. We want to leave these here. I'm going to put the steering wheel on just temporarily. This, we'll leave it here. The steering wheel, we'll throw this on here. Temporarily. All right, we'll put this to the side. Oop, already losing screws. That's what she said. So we'll put this to the side. All right, I guess I can go on over. Oh, I'm gonna wash that. I'll go on over to the washing station. Drop that down. Doesn't like how it's being treated at the moment. Oh, take a look at this. So, look right here. 12.5 volts, 493 hours. That's what we got on here. She said the parking brake wasn't working, but I forced it. It was just seized up a little bit from rust. And yep, we got power there. All right, and contact. Oh, let's give it some choke. Okay, contact. Check the transmission for the first time. Oh, guess what? Of course. Goes off. Raise the deck up while I'm riding in the yard. All right. that. It feels good too, nice and smooth. No whining from the transmission. No whining from the transmission. That sounds great. It's on really low idle. So there's still no whining. There's my decal remover. Honda engine. I had one and they had a recall on it. I got a replacement. All right, let's get this cleaned up.